Hello and welcome everyone to Super Trade. Hope you guys are doing well. The market is going down, but as I've mentioned in my previous video, even in a falling market, some stocks can give a upside momentum. So we are going to look at Tejas Network today and why this stock is of interest to me right now. Because if you look at Tejas Network, this is a weekly chart of Tejas Network. The stock got listed on 17th of June 2000, 27th of June 2017, and let me mark this point. The stock came down to its listing price, but it did not touch. Then the second important point for us is this particular point. You can see here, because the stock after listing went up to this point and there was a crash, and then when it started to again show upside momentum, it started to consolidate, and then finally when the breakout happened, it gave a massive rally from this point to this point. It means over a period of around 700 days it gave around 200% return. I'm not saying that it will definitely go to 1500, but it's a good potential candidate to keep an eye. Again, if you look at the volume formation, there is a significant massive volume formation on a weekly time frame, and you see on a daily time frame, if you see the relative volume, it means compare the volume in the past and now, you see the huge delivery volume is there. Now, before how to trade this stock, I will give you a caution. This company is incurring losses. You see, the price to earning of this company is not there because the company is not making profit, not made has not made profit in the past 12 months. And if you see the net profit and loss account, you see it made 3 crore rupees of profit, then losses, then again profit, and then significant losses, and trailing 12 months it is incurring loss of 769 crore. All right. So when company is making loss, we'll have to be very, very careful. Now, why the stock price is rising when the company is incurring loss? Because of this particular news. You can see here that it has inked an agreement with NEC Corporation to manufacture and supply 5G massive MIMO radios. So due to this particular agreement, the investors must be very bullish about this particular stock. Clear, but we have to be careful because we have to protect our capital. Now those who have already taken positions after this breakout today, again a green candle open, they would have already entered their position, and when they have entered their position, they would have kept their stop loss just below this yellow line. Now, what will be the strategy for the traders who have not yet entered this particular stock? Remember, we are learning price action. This is not a suggestion to buy or sell. uh, we are simply trying to figure out price action over here. So now let me put another line over here. Why this line is important? Because this is today's high. The new traders, it means the traders who have not yet entered the stock, they will wait for the stock to break above this particular particular high. So it means the stock may consolidate, or it for some time, but eventually it may give breakout even tomorrow. So the moment there is a breakout above this price, we'll convert our chart on a hourly time frame, wait for a pullback. After the pullback, if the stock is again rising from 530 onwards, as you can see the price over here, then a trade can be taken, and the stop loss will be just below this yellow line. Now let us figure out what is the level of stop loss if the entry is made over here. You see the stop loss is around 12%. Now that is a big stop loss. So when the stop loss is big, always keep your position size small. Don't get greedy, because there will be many stocks will give you many opportunity. Don't suffer from FOMO. So as the stock goes up, you can go for pyramid and you can add to your position, because then there is a confirmation that there is a high probability the stock will go up. Now if we are taking a 12% stop loss, at least 1 is to 3 ratio should be there. It means we should target at least 1 is to 3, or 1 is to 2.5, or 1 is to 2. So let's see where is our nearest target. Our nearest target here, swing target, is around 38%. You can see this point, and the next target is at around 64. And if this particular thing is broken, with momentum and with rising volume, then there is a probability the stock will go to its all-time high. But again, please remember, this is a loss-making company. This stock is visible to everybody, so be careful when you take trade in this particular stock and strictly put your stop loss. And as far as Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Mid Cap Nifty is concerned, uh, the points that we have discussed yesterday is still relevant, and the indices have reacted to those points. As far as all the other stocks that we have concerned, whether it's Fortis, whether it's Astral, uh, or whether it's Polycab or Phenolics Cable, the discussed point is still relevant, but most of the trader will wait for a breakout, will wait for a kind of a bullish momentum in the market, a bullish sentiment in the market, because this war has basically created so much of negativity. So be careful when you trade. And in the end, I would ask you to please like the video, comment, and because it will keep me motivated to come up with more and more of such stock. Take care, bye bye, and happy trading.